I am completely super proud of Tommy. He's obviously, oh my God, I don't know if they feel Tommy's like confidence in himself.
You got your maturity badge, right? But yes, last night, you're immature. Tonight, right here, that's immature. Regressing, buddy, regressing.
Do you want to comment at all on his boyfriend to themselves? All of themselves. With Tommy not working on therapy and very seriously, and they kind of called for what Chris had said.
You out in front of your girl, and you guys laughed it off. So what do you want me to do? You want to come out here and why not, man? At least it'll prove something to me.
I really feel like Rock's son, he's not focusing on what he's here for.
What's wrong, Papi? Why you looking at Daddy like that?
You're all top, bro. I told you, let's fight here right now, bitch.
Tommy's different when you're not around, and Tommy will start to do the man thing. And the minute Ryan started yelling, Tommy laughed and started sucking face with you. And Ryan was like, that is exactly what I'm talking about.
Last night you disrespected my girlfriend, and I almost jumped on your ass. You did it. You know what? You did it. You did it.
If being a man means disrespect people and act like a lunatic and flash the handle, then no, I don't want Tommy to be a man. But I certainly do want to step up to the plate, which he is more than willing to do.
Straight up. I'm serious, bro. Bitch.
When are you going to start making progress? That should have started when we talked about romance. Romance, believe me, my darling, it's not lacking.
America, if he disrespects my girlfriend in front of me or not my back, I'm going to lay him the fuck out. Thank you very much. Never said that.
My issue is basically, this is for the father figure.
See what I'm doing?
I really, really need her to let him stay.
I'm nervous as hell going into elimination. I know.
Hi, Ari.
Aggressive action.
Oh, no!
Not necessary, but this is not a
Happen, motherfucker.
My real life with Jenna in a happy town. Baby, repeat that thing. What? Was wrong. What? There are 4 tools, but only 3 badges stay. That means one of you will get expelled tonight.
In therapy, you're actually finding by feeling about sex, and you put your first feet on your romantic date. Well done.
Thank you. Josh, please step forward and receive your tool badge. I need the most progress. Now it's the first one call. I need to obey. There are 3 tools.
2.
Only 2 badges remaining.
3.
Sean, please step forward.
Sean, from my perspective, you had the last date, but you made it to focus on your future with Ida. You created a truly intimate evening, and you made Ida feel as if she was the center of your world. When you've done enough, pass the romance course and receive a romance tour badge.
Ida and I have progressed unbelievable amounts as the tour goes. Tommy, consequence. Please step forward. 2 tools. In the scenes and outtakes from this week's episode, go to TwoAcademy.vh1.com. The quarter pounder with cheese makes your mouth water. That's your mouth's problem. So dear, maybe talk to it. Say, mouth, ease up. It's just a quarter pounder with cheese with 100% pure beef. Make sure nobody's watching, because you'll be talking with your mouth, which is a little.
It's not his favorite shit, right?
A quarter pounder with cheese. It's cheese and beef and cheese. And that's what's up. more than one thing. I guess I'm sort of an all-American boy when it comes to food. I love cheeseburgers.
Find someone special in 6 months. Guaranteed. Visit Drive.com, where 20,000 new people join every day.
This is good. When I'm working a runway show, all black. With the new